out, you'll get lost. That's what's sweet about doing the vocals at the same time. Just do the
Vocals are sweet, aren't they?
They sound good.
Are you recording, Carl?
I'm only saying that because you're recording. I need to get this on camera. Carl is a badass.
Get that on
I
camera.
think we could incorporate this conga in there. Oh no, I'm like
I'm doing that.
I thought I was gonna buy a Hampton ticket, but that fell through.
Welcome to the art house. Jim Barnes, the man behind the
These
mix.
things are cool because recorders are cool for studio documenting. Down here for a second.
Jordan got the biggest grin on his face when he finished that.
Hey, let's give him a yeah when he gets in here. Yeah! Yeah, man! That's so good. Perfection.
getting all artistic with it though.